Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie fall 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Semiconductor stocks were a mixed bag, with European chip stocks rallying on strong earnings, while US stocks, including Nvidia, fell as investors continued to assess the potential threat from China's low-cost DeepSeek artificial intelligence tool. Oil prices fell, with the US benchmark touching a multi-week low after crude stockpiles in the world's top petroleum producer and consumer rose more than expected last week. The White House reaffirmed Trump's plan to impose 25% tariffs on imports from Canada and Mexico. Coinbase has appointed Chris LaCivita, former co-campaign manager for President Donald Trump, to its Global Advisory Council. This move deepens Coinbase's connections with the Trump administration as it navigates the evolving landscape of digital asset regulation.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's export price index will be released at 0:30 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Australia's import price index at 0:30 GMT. The US gross domestic product index will be released at 13:30 GMT. Germany's import price index at 7 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.